What's the difference between people who say, I want to write a book versus who have actually finished one? It's a powerful writing routine. Hi, I'm Fatha Khan, founder of Authority Influence Club, best-selling author and 3-time TEDx speaker. In this video, I'm sharing exactly how to create a writing routine that fits your life so you can stop struggling and start making real progress. So why does a routine matter? Why do you need to have a writing routine? Let's be honest, waiting for inspiration, that's not how books get written. The secret is consistency. Your routine keeps you moving forward. Even when motivation fades, it helps you build momentum, stay focused, and actually finish your draft. Now here is a tip. Choose your best writing time. Ask yourself, when do I have the most energy and focus? If you are a morning person, right before the day gets busy, like I do it every single morning because that works for me. But if you are not a morning person and a night owl, right? Something where you are more energetic in the evening, late night, block out an hour in the evening, because the key is pick a time and protect it like it is an appointment. And then comes your tip number 2. Set clear and small goals. Instead of saying, I will write for 3 hours, set small, clear goals. Like set a goal, I'll write 300 words a day or 500 words a day, 1 page a day. I'll write for 15 minutes a day, because small targets equals to small wins equals to big momentum. Momentum is what matters the most. And then comes your tip number 3. What is it? Create a winning space, or I would say create a writing space, a space where you don't need a fancy office, but do create a space that tells your brain, this is where I write. It could be a corner of your room. It could be a coffee shop table. It could be a specific chair. It could be any specific place that is something which you can use every day for your writing. Keep your tools ready, like a notebook, a laptop, coffee if you want to have it, or any books that you want to refer, and start cutting all those distractions. And now comes your tip number 4. Use the power of triggers. Like if you want to make writing automatic, pair it with a trigger. For example, after morning tea, right? Or after morning walk, start writing. After dinner, write for 15 minutes. After your journaling, work on your book. Anything that you can create it as a schedule, because this makes writing part of your routine. Like brushing your teeth, isn't it your routine? Just like that, writing your book should become a part of your routine. And comes tip number 5. Track your progress. What gets tracked gets done, because if you are not tracking something, you will not be able to do it. It is important for you to measure and track. Use a simple calendar. Put an X or a tick mark on the writing days, right? Word count tracker in Google Sheets that can help you to count the number of words. There are apps like Trello or Notion. When you see your streak, you will want to keep going. This is how the motivation or the inner drive works. And then comes your tip number 6. Give yourself permission to write badly. Now, one of the biggest challenge I've seen people is they actually want to write perfect. Your routine is not about perfect writing. It's about showing up. Remind yourself, first drafts are supposed to be messy, because everything starts with a mess, right? Get the words out. You can always edit later, but you can't edit a blank page. So do not focus on the editing in the initial stages. Focus on just writing. Now comes your tip number 7. Get support. Writing can feel sometimes lonely, but it doesn't really have to be. Join a writing group. Like I run a writing group where people join with me, right? And then they are writing. We actually meet every week so that we are interacting, discussing, and then we are able to support each other, encourage each other. So join a writing group. Get an accountability buddy. Your accountability buddy is someone who can push you, who can hold you accountable, and also share your goals publicly. Because when you share your goals publicly, something shifts inside you, because you know that you have announced it to the public. You know you have announced it to the people. So there is a positive pressure. Sometimes just knowing someone will ask, did you write today, can keep you on the track. I still remember one of my mentees, right? He used to tell me, my daughter actually holds me accountable every single day, Fatha. In the night, in the morning, she asked me, Papa, how much did you write? Nana, how much did you write? And that actually makes him to actually write every single day. So have an accountability partner or somebody who could hold you accountable. And here's the truth. There is no perfect time to write. The perfect routine is the one you start today, the one you start now. So block 15 minutes on your calendar, set a small goal and begin, right? And if you are really committed to your writing, drop writing routine in the comments if you're ready to build your routine. And hey, if you want my free writing tracker templates, check the link in the description. And if you have found this video as helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and check out my other videos where I'm talking about writing, publishing, marketing your book. And until next time, keep writing. Happy writing to you.